Ever wondered if your crypto wallet needs to be plugged in? Does it have a tiny little battery constantly draining, waiting for you to find a charger before you can access your digital wealth? It's a valid question, especially in a world where almost every electronic device seems to demand a regular dose of electricity. We're so accustomed to screens, charging cables, and power indicators that it's natural to project these requirements onto something as crucial as a hardware crypto wallet. After all, if it's securing your valuable assets, it must be powered, right? The fear of a dead battery preventing you from making an urgent transaction or accessing your funds is a real concern for many. Imagine being caught off guard, needing to move some crypto, only to realize your hardware wallet is completely unresponsive. It's a frustrating scenario that could have serious implications in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. This is where the Tangem wallet enters the conversation with a refreshing twist on hardware security. So, let's cut to the chase and answer the burning question: does Tangem have a battery? The answer, definitively, is no. Tangem wallets are designed without a battery, wires, or even a screen. This might seem counterintuitive at first, especially when compared to more traditional hardware wallets that often resemble mini computers with displays and charging ports. But this design choice is a core part of Tangem's philosophy of simplicity, durability, and robust security. Instead of relying on an internal power source, the Tangem wallet utilizes near-field communication, or NFC, technology. This is the same technology found in contactless payment cards and many smartphones. When you tap your Tangem card to your NFC-enabled smartphone, the phone provides the small amount of power needed to activate the chip within the card. This brief burst of energy is enough to facilitate the communication between the card and the Tangem app on your phone, allowing you to securely sign transactions, check balances, and manage your crypto assets. This lack of a battery brings a multitude of benefits. Firstly, it significantly enhances the wallet's durability. Without a battery, there are no delicate internal components prone to failure from impact or water damage. Tangem cards are designed to be incredibly robust, resisting dust, water, extreme temperatures, and even X-rays. They're built to withstand the rigors of everyday life, fitting seamlessly into your wallet or pocket without concern for fragility. Secondly, it eliminates the need for charging. You never have to worry about finding an outlet, carrying extra cables, or remembering to top up your wallet's power. Your Tangem card is always ready to go, as long as you have your smartphone with you. This always-on readiness provides unparalleled convenience, ensuring you can access your crypto whenever and wherever you need it, without being tethered to a power source. Furthermore, the absence of a battery contributes to the overall security of the device. Fewer components mean fewer potential points of failure or vulnerability. The secure element chip inside the Tangem card is designed to generate and store your private keys in an isolated environment, ensuring they never leave the card and are never exposed to online threats. This streamlined design, coupled with advanced cryptographic protocols and independent security audits, provides a highly secure cold storage solution. The Tangem wallet simplifies the hardware wallet experience, making it accessible to both crypto novices and seasoned enthusiasts. Its credit card-like form factor, combined with the power of NFC, creates a user-friendly interface that feels intuitive and familiar. No complicated setups, no constant charging, just tap and go. This innovative approach to hardware security demonstrates that sometimes, less truly is more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.